Did you have any milk today? What did he say?
Did you milk, Cutie boy?
Do you like milk, Cutie bird?
No.
You don't like milk? Do you like cupcakes, Cutie bird?
No, I like milk.
Oh, you do like milk, Cutie bird.
Cutie bird gotta take a break. It's a big job eating cupcakes and being Cutie bird.
When you have to translate. So, do you like milk, Cutie bird? Does he like milk? What did he say? What did he say? Do you have feathers, Cutie bird? Does he have any feathers? What did he say? No, thank you. Oh, okay, you don't want any feathers. And what is your name? What did he say?
The baby died.
Oh, your name's Babyside? Is it raining outside, Cutie bird?
I fell down.
Did you fall down, Cutie bird?
No.
Did you get hurt?
No.
Do you want to take a nap, Cutie bird?
No.
Did you take a nap this morning, Cutie bird?
No.
Did you eat a cupcake, Cutie bird?
No.
Was it good?
No.
You didn't like it? Was it good?
Huh?